Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm sharing another completed project that I've made, and this is a wrap that I've completed. And I made this wrap using a video tutorial from the Secret Yarnery, and you can look in the description box below for more information that I'll have more detailed information about what I did with mine. But I watched the tutorial, The Speedy Granny Ruth, and I really love this pattern, the way it turned out. Now, some of the things that I did differently in mine, for one thing, I only used two colors. I used Red Heart Super Saver in black and Caron 1 pound in Limeade. Now, this color Limeade is discontinued, so if you wanted to make one similar to mine, this yarn is discontinued. But for mine, for the starting chain, I started out with 164 stitches. And I used an 8mm crochet hook for my starting chain. And once I completed the starting chain, I switched to a 6.5mm crochet hook to continue and to complete this wrap. But the finished measurements of mine was 56 inches long without tassels. And the tassels on it added another about 10 inches. And the width of this is 26 inches wide. So what I really like about this is how only using the two colors really shows this pattern off very well with this extended double crochet stitch that you make to the row below. And I am really happy about how this turned out. And another thing about it is with me using the 6.5mm crochet hook, she used a 7mm to crochet her blanket. And with using the 6.5mm, it did make it a little bit more dense. And I also think that it made the actual pattern really shine. So what I want to do is I want to take this wrap and I'm going to lay it out full length so you can see just how it looks, when it's fully opened. And so hold on a minute, let me get set up for that, and I'll be right back to show you how it looks. Okay, so here is how it looks fully extended. And I am really pleased with how it turned out. And like I said, if you would like more information about how the size of my wrap and what materials I used, you can look in the description box below. And I also will have a link to the Secret Yarnery's tutorial for doing this pattern. But thanks for watching my video. Bye-bye.